Nowadays, people are so busy. And for this reason, many a times people now order food from outside rather than cooking at home. So one of the simple things you can do, inshallah, to create a sense of a homely environment and to create a bond, a family bond, is cook homemade meals and then sit together and eat. Food is one of those things that unites us. Food is one of those things that affects and influences every one of our five senses. And the other benefit is that when cooking, if you engage in dhikr, you engage in the remembrance of Allah, then the ulama and the pious, they say that this has a benefit for those who consume that food. So cook homemade meals, and while you are cooking, stay engaged in the remembrance of Allah and see how this has an effect on your children, on your family members, on their piety.